Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Did you all revise what was done yesterday? What did we do yesterday? Fill-ups, true and false, and rhyming words. I hope you are perfect with that. Today we are going to do the last part of revision. That is, first unscramble the words and write the correct word and then write the opposite of that word. First, the word is given wrong. Wrong spelling is given. You have to write the correct. First, you have to unscramble and write the correct word. And then you have to search for the opposite word and then write the first. Come on, let's do fast. The first one is given L-S-O-O-E. L-S-O-O-E. First, you have to write the correct word. First, you have to write the correct word. We have done it before also. What is the correct word? Lose. And what is the spelling of lose? L-O-O-S-E. Learn the spelling. Lose. L-O-O-S-E is the correct word. Lose. And what will be the opposite of lose? Tight. Opposite of lose? Tight. What is the opposite of lose? Tight. Okay, got it. The next word is double F-O. What is the correct word? What is the correct word? Off. O-double-F. And what will be the opposite of off? On. Off, on. I told you before also. I hope you remember. This is revision. So, off, on. First write the correct word and then write the opposite of that word. Then next is L-F-E-T. L-F-E-T. What is the correct word for this? L-E-F-T. Left. L-E-F-T. Then what will that will be the correct word. And what will be the opposite of left? Opposite of left is right. Opposite of left is right. And what is the spelling of right? R-I-G-H-T is right. R-I-G-H-T. So, loose, tight, off, on, left, right. Left, right. Then, first you have to know the spellings. Then only you can do all those words. Otherwise, you won't be able to do. So, you have to learn the spellings. Learn the spellings. Next is W-R-A-M. W-R-A-M. What will be the correct word for that? It will be W-A-R-M. Warm. Warm means it is hot. So, what will be the opposite of warm? What will be the opposite of warm? Cool. Hot, cool. Hot, cool. C-O-O-L. Cool. C-O-O-L. Cool. Then next is O-P-N-E. Is this correct? No. What will be the correct spelling? O-P-E-N. Open. What is the correct spelling of open? O-P-E-N. O-P-E-N. And what will be the open? What will be the opposite? Close. Open, close. I hope you remember. So, opposite of open is close. What is the spelling of close? C-L-O-S-E, close. C-L-O-S-E, close. Then next, L-S-O-T. L-S-O-T. What will be the correct spelling? Recap. Recap. You have done all these things. We have done it so many times I have repeated. It is L-O-S-T, lost. L-O-S-T. And what will be the opposite of lost? Gained. G-A-I-N-E-D. Gained. G-A-I-N-E-D. Gained. So these are the opposite. For unscrambling the words, you have to learn the spellings very, very well. That I am telling you again and again. Lose, L-O-O-S-E, lose. Then off, O-F-F, off. Then left, L-E-F-T, left. Warm, W-A-R-M, warm. Open, O-P-E-N, open. and lost, L-O-S-T, lost. Loose, tight, off, on, left, right, warm, cool, open, close, lost, gained. Hope you are perfect with this. The next page you are having the story listening time. Maybe something will come. You have to read the story, go through it, read, anything may come. You should know the story of Thirsty Crow. And then last part is your question and answers. Let us go through the question answers also once very fast. The last part is your question and answers. Last part is your question and answers. What happens if there is a leaky tap? If there is a leaky tap, what will happen? 4 answers you will get. You have to choose the correct answer. The correct answer is, if there is a leaky tap, there is wastage of water. You may get what happened? There is wastage of water, there is wastage of something else or anything. 4 other answers will come, but you have to choose leaky tap. What will happen if there is a leaky tap? There will be a wastage of water. Water will get wasted. When there is a leaky tap, there is wastage of water. The next question. What does soap your feet mean? I told you before also. I hope you remember. What does soap your feet means? Soap your feet means taking bath. Nahana. That is the meaning of soap your feet. It means taking bath. Then next, why do you think people do not close the taps properly? Why? Because they are in a hurry or they do not value water. There are 2 reasons maybe. एक तो जल्दी रहती है, they don't have time to close the water, and other thing, they don't know how much valuable water is. Water is precious. We must always value water. So these 2 reasons may be the reason for not valuing water. Then what should we do with the leftover water in the bottle? I told you just now. If the water is left in the bottle, what should we do? We should pour it in the plant. Give it to the plants so that it will help the plants to grow. Do not throw or waste that water. We can put that water in the plant. And use that water instead of wasting. Then write 2 ways in which we can save water in our homes. By closing the tap while brushing our teeth. What we do sometimes, we open the tap and we brush our teeth and the water is flowing and the water is wasting. We should not do that. When we are washing our mouth, open the water and then use that water. When you are brushing your teeth, close the tap and do not waste water. Another thing, instead of shower, we should use a bucket. Use a bucket for that. Because shower also, while you are putting soap on your body and you put your shower open and the water is wasting. And that time the water gets wasted. That's why we can use a bucket and a mug to take bath, and that will save water. So these are the 2 things. By these we can save water. First thing, while closing the tap while brushing our teeth, and second one, using a mug and a bucket while taking bath. These 2 things will help us to save water. Okay. Then one last fill up is there, that is very save water every day. We have to save water every day. Why? Because water is dash. Water is precious. Water is precious. We have to save water. So children, with this we have completed our whole lesson, all the lessons. Revise it very well. Everything is revised for you. See the videos, understand, do, revise. Again I am saying read, read, read. Reading will make you perfect. How much you are going to read? You just go on reading and that will make you perfect. So go on reading. And you must know reading. If you don't know reading, it will be very difficult. So children, revise and all the best and take care. Goodbye. God bless you all.